Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back to this channel again, where like usual, I'm going to share my summary about last week material, which is practicality and language assessment. First, what is practicality? Practicality refers to how easy and efficient tests to design, administer, and scoring. In simple terms, practicality test is one that can use easily in real-life classroom conditions without wasting too much time, cost, and also energy. Now, why is practicality important? Because it helps teachers manage their time better, makes the testing process more efficient, and reduce stress for both teacher and student. And there are also several main components of practicality. First is time. This includes the time needed to prepare the test, to administer it, and also to score it. And the second is cost. The cost is referred to material, administration, and scoring. And the third is human resource, which include the number of teacher or examiner, or as well as their workload and training. And the last component is material and equipment, such as paper, device, internet access, and the testing environment. Okay, next I will talk to you the characteristic of a practical test. A practical test should be easy to prepare, easy to administer, and also easy to score. It should be efficient in terms of time and cost. On the other words, it should be not too complicated or too difficult to manage. However, practicality must be balanced with other important principles. For example, with validity. If a test is too simple just to make it practical, it may not measure student real ability accurately. And another example with reliability. A practical test is usually easier to score, which can improve consistency. But if it is over simple, the result may become less accurate. And another example with washback. A test that is too simple may lead students to just memorize the answer, which give the negative impact of learning. And for real example, multiple choice tests and online quizzes are practical because they are easy and fast to score. But the other hand, long essay and speaking tests for large classes are less practical because they take more time and effort. So how we can improve the practicality? Teacher can use efficient test format, clear scoring rubric, and technology like online platforms. It's also important to avoid unnecessary of complexity. And finally, practicality is very important because it ensures that tests can be used effectively in real life situation. However, it must be balanced with validity, reliability, and watchback to ensure the quality of the assessment. So my last conclusion is practicality helps make assessment easier and more efficient, but it should not reduce the accuracy and effectiveness of the test. I think that's all for me. Thank you very much for listening.